is Minty, and today I'm going to show you guys how to tame a bird. Now let's start. So you get a bird and some normal seeds, which end up being gone. So I'm going to get them again. Not pumpkin seeds or mound seeds or any type of other seeds, just seeds. And let's do that. So first of all, spawn your bird. Then drop your seeds. For me, drop is a key, so here we go. And there comes the bird. Well, we're going to do that again. Well, my bird vanished. I think it was close to the wall. Let's try again. There we go. That bird's using it. And there we go. It's eating it. Eat it, eat it, eat it. There we go. And so, bye. Thanks for watching, guys.